Did NASA's exoplanet hunting mission really crash in Texas? The answer might surprise you. Amidst the chaos of a government shutdown, a NASA-funded weather balloon embarked on a mission to search for exoplanets. But when it landed, local news reports suggested a crash had occurred. However, the scientist behind this extraordinary journey, Christopher Mendillo, has a different story to tell: the confusing landing. On October 2nd, after soaring high into Earth's atmosphere, the balloon touched down in Hale County, Texas. Local news outlets reported a crash, but Mendillo, an exoplanet researcher from the University of Massachusetts Lowell, clarified that it was a controlled landing. He explained they likely had no accurate information and made assumptions. His team has been refining this planet-seeking experiment since 2005, launching it on both rockets and balloons. A well-planned mission. Mendillo emphasized that a team of dedicated NASA professionals monitored the entire flight, carefully selecting a landing site away from populated areas, energy infrastructure, water bodies, and mountains. Farm and ranch landings are common, he said, and it's a testament to their skill that we landed safely. The balloon had no onboard guidance or propulsion, relying on real-time tracking and weather data to predict its landing. The unusual circumstances. NASA personnel worked tirelessly to launch Mendillo's experiment despite the government shutdown, which furloughed thousands of agency employees. They received an exemption, but officials were unavailable for comment due to the shutdown. The launch date, October 1st, was crucial due to a phenomenon called atmospheric turnaround. This rare event, occurring twice a year in the stratosphere's mid-latitudes, allows balloons to stay afloat overnight. Mendillo explained, this year, turnaround lasted just one day, October 1st, the very day the government shut down. The exoplanet hunter Mendillo's experiment, named Planetary Imaging Chorograph Testbed using a recoverable experiment for debris disks, Picture D, aims to advance technologies for directly imaging exoplanets. Funded by a $7 million grant from NASA's Astrophysics Research and Analysis Program, Picture D carries a 23-inch telescope. The team observed 4 stars, including a binary system, and collected thousands of images. Mendillo said, "Our mission is to image distant solar systems, searching for dust rings, asteroid belts, and exoplanets. We're just beginning to process the data and hope to present our findings soon." The first result from Picture D was an image of the Gamma Cassiopeiae binary star system in the Cassiopeia constellation. This image demonstrates the challenge of capturing exoplanets in reflected visible light. Mendillo explained, if that secondary star were a planet, it would be 1 million times dimmer. Despite some minor issues during the flight, the team successfully gathered the data they needed. They plan to refine their technologies for the next Picture D flight, scheduled for 2026 or 2027, with the potential for use in future NASA flagship missions like the Habitable Worlds Observatory. And here's where it gets controversial. While the mission was a success, the confusion surrounding the landing highlights the challenges of communicating complex scientific endeavors to the public. It raises questions about the role of media in reporting on scientific missions and the importance of accurate information dissemination. So what do you think? Do you believe the media's initial reports accurately portrayed the situation? How can we improve scientific communication to ensure the public receives accurate information? Share your thoughts in the comments below.